This episode is all about wearing some freaking color. How to pair it, how to not be scared of it, how to radiate in it. Let's go. I am Casey and welcome to Style School. Today, I'm gonna help you make your outfits 10 times more interesting without spending a dime. And it all comes down to how you play with color. How many times are we too scared or lazy to put color into our outfits? I mean, I'm guilty of it. But wearing color in an interesting way is one of the easiest ways to show up more stylish. I'm Casey, your fashion bestie. Give me a follow for unstoppable style confidence. If you have ever felt like your style could use a little more something but didn't know where to start, this is the video for you. Understanding simple color combination unlocks many more outfits in your closet. It takes your outfits from basic to wow. Once you finish this episode and apply what you learned, your wardrobe will feel brand new without spending a dime. Okay, let's jump into it. Whenever I teach on color, my first lesson is on a monochromatic outfit. It's just the easiest to grasp. It's all about wearing one color from head to toe in different shades, tones, and tints. It's simple yet super freaking chic. Let's look at some monochromatic examples. You can see in this first one, she takes pinks and does a few different shades of pinks. And then with the three ladies over there, they don't really do a ton of like different tones and tints. They are more full one color, but you can see that it's super chic as well. So don't be afraid to show up head to toe in one color. And this lady here has a lavender moment that I'm dying for. I love all the different shades. And then we move on to the next picture, which is taking neutrals into the monochromatic color theory. And you can do this with neutrals. You can do it with blacks, like all different shades of blacks and grays. And then like she did here, she's doing all different shades of browns. And it's so chic. I love a monochromatic outfit. A great way to start incorporating color is wearing neutrals with a pop of color. It's one of my favorite ways to experiment with color because, trust me, sometimes I don't want to go that bold. So you just want to think of like a beige or a black outfit with a bright red bag or hot pink shoes. It's like keeping things grounded while still having that unexpected twist. Let's show you some examples of neutrals with a pop of color. So you can wear all neutrals with a pop of color in your purse. You could do all neutrals with a pop of color in your shoes. The outfit on the right is leopard, and I consider leopard a neutral, even though it's a pattern. It is a neutral, and she's showing pops of color in her bag and her shoes. You can also show pops of color in your scarves and again in your bag. And then I'm loving, loving, loving this last example of a pop of color in layering. So she's putting the pop of color just in the sweater and then has neutrals all around it. So chic and so easy. Like just pop that color in, so easy. Okay, next concept is color blocking. It's all about combining bold, contrasting colors in big, solid sections of your outfit. Let's look at some really fun examples of color blocking. These three examples are a really good visual of trench coat, blazer, color blocking outfits. It's a way to dress up your outfit. You can see, as you look at each one of these pictures, you can see that each piece of their outfit is a different color, a different solid color. And it creates this really bold but very interesting, interesting visual to the eye. These three pictures are pictures of color blocking when we get dressed up, when we get a little more formal. So when we get formal, it doesn't have to be boring. It can be bright and fun. Like look at these outfits and how they do color blocking and analyze how they do color blocking within their outfits. It's so fun and so interesting. These three outfits are examples of color blocking in a more casual. We saw the trench coats, the blazers, we saw the dresses, and now we're bringing color blocking into something a little more casual, and it can be done in these type of outfits as well. So just take a look. Every outfit has like all these different colors in it, big solid colors, except the one on the very left. And that one, I liked to put that one in there because you can mix color blocking within also just, also having a printed t-shirt in there and mixing different concepts together. So I just really love these three examples of color blocking in a more casual vibe. You might be thinking, okay, color blocking is great and all, but how do I figure out what colors to put with what? Well, here are some starting points. First is complementary colors. Complementary colors are opposite on the color wheel, like blue and orange or purple and yellow. Here we're looking at some really great examples of complementary colors together, and you can see I provided the color wheel, and I can show you right here, right across the color wheel is a blue and orange, like in the first outfit. Second outfit, right across the color wheel is a purple and yellow together. So an easy way if you're having a hard time figuring out what colors to wear together. Second is analogous colors. For a more harmonious look and a more blended look, try analogous colors, which are next to each other on the color wheel. Okay, analogous colors. I really do love this one because you don't really need the color wheel to understand that these colors you kind of think of a rainbow and what is next to each other on a rainbow. And so this first one is looking at the blues and the greens and the yellows together. She does it really well with a bold neon, which is a lot of fun. And then also the other one on this side is the reds, the pinks, and the oranges. So like you can see, really interesting color combinations, maybe something you wouldn't expect, but very cool. Third, a triadic color scheme is when you're feeling a little adventurous. This is where you pick 3 colors that are evenly spaced on the color wheel. I'll show you an example in a second. Like the primary colors, red, blue, and yellow, or secondary colors, orange, purple, and green together. It creates a balance, but still adds a bit of excitement to your look. Here is the triadic color scheme, and you can see this is all evenly spaced on the color wheel. What I do like about this is you can also see in my examples that you can do it within the pastel tones, and you can do it within the bright jewel tones. I try to do a range to show you here. And you know what? Don't be super strict on this. If it's not exactly 3 colors apart or 3 equal colors on the color wheel, it doesn't matter. But this is just if you are looking for a guide, it's just a way of a starting point and a good way to guide you. Ultimately, if like figuring out the color wheel thing is too much for you and it's just too much to soak in, just simply find inspiration around you. Look around your house, but your favorite painting or even the colors in your throw pillows can inspire amazing outfits. If you love those colors together on a canvas, chances are you'll love them together in an outfit. So I have some examples, like for instance, this one. You can see these are record covers, but I love the greens and the purple together, this lavender. So I could wear an outfit that has some purples and some greens together, maybe even pop in some whites. And so you already have a color scheme right here. People are already doing the work for you. Next one, this record cover has grays. This is kind of a blue gray and oranges. So maybe you do an outfit with some blue, oranges, and even bring in a brown there. That can make an outfit super interesting. And then this one here has, if you can see, it has some blues, right? And it has like a golden kind of color. So maybe like a little bit mustard yellow and then light pink and even white. So you can take these colors or some of these colors and create an outfit from just what you're seeing around you. So ultimately, if you're the color wheel thing, I like to print out a color wheel and put it in my closet. There's a link below if you want to print out this color wheel. But if that's just too much for you, then just go with the art that you see around. So my last one is to pull from patterns. Like, do you have a pattern, a piece like a shirt or a jacket or anything that is a great pattern? Whether it's like florals or stripes or abstract prints, you can pull colors directly from that pattern to create a cohesive rest of your look. That's what I did here. Normally I wear this jacket with a white top and denim, and maybe white shoes. Very neutral, kind of easy outfit. Today, I challenged myself and I pulled colors from this pattern. I took a bright orange top, I'm wearing maroon pants, and then brown shoes, and it made my outfit so much more interesting. Here are some examples of pulling colors from your patterns. Starting with the example on your left, if we look at the pattern, it is striped with all the greens and the reds and the blues. A really great place to start with a pattern because you can wear so much with it. I loved how she took the green and put it in the pants and then took some orange and put it in her purse. Like, so great. And then also, if we're looking at the example on the right, we're starting with this houndstooth pattern. And she grabs the black and the orange from the blazer and puts it with color blocks it into the rest of her outfit. You sometimes might think orange and black obviously reminds you of Halloween, but the way she did it is so not Halloween. It's more chic than anything. Here are some more examples of pulling colors from patterns. So you see here, you normally with patterns, a lot of the times we wear it with whites and blacks. We're like, okay, we have this one pattern thing. Let's just wear it with neutrals all throughout instead of pulling the colors and incorporate them into the rest of our outfit. So as you see, this one's pretty simple. It's like an orangey blossom top, but I love how she didn't just wear it with black pants or white pants. She took the colors of the blossoms from her shirt and put them into her pants, and then the lighter cream color in her shirt into her purse. The second example here is a great way. She's wearing two patterns, actually three patterns, and she's pulling colors from those patterns into the solid areas for the rest of her outfit. So you can see that she has really dark, almost like maroon, brown shoes. And then she's wearing a different color, maroonish, brownish in her sweater. And she's pulling from all different parts of her patterns she's wearing. The last example, if you start with the pattern, we see that she's wearing kind of a chevron print at the top. And she has all different colors here. You see that she takes some of the amber, the darker amber browns, and brings it down to her pants, to a solid amber brown pant. And then also into her shoes and bag, she takes the lighter browns. This is a way to take the neutrals out of the outfit and put them into your outfit. But it's not just a white and it's not just a black. She's taking the neutrals, the interesting neutrals like the amber browns and the tans, and creating an outfit around it. So it doesn't have to be super bold and in your face. These are good examples of it not being bold and taking it and making it look really classy and cohesive. Color is such a fun and free way to play with your style. No need for new clothes, just a new perspective. So go ahead, pull out your color wheel, or better yet, look around you for inspiration to see your closet with fresh eyes. And this will help you with shopping because one, you'll get the confidence to know that you now know how to like pair colors together, take chances, how to wear them. It'll give you a more of an opportunity to buy color. Two, you'll now know what colors to buy. If you have a pattern that has teal in it and you're like, I want some really cool bright teal pants, then you can go out and know that that's the color pant you want to buy. So it kind of guides you. One, gives you confidence. Two, it helps guide you to wear more color. Also, don't forget to snap a pic of your favorite outfits for your own style album. Don't forget, document your outfits, put them in an album on your phone so you can reference that back whenever you're in a style bind. Thanks for watching, and if you're ready for more style confidence, hit that subscribe button. I'm always here to help you wear more joy.